So we are installing this in our Endeavour. This is new packaging. I think this is the latest model. It's the same M617 multicolor, 3 colors. खोल चावी तुझ्याकडे ना तुझ्याकडे जड असतं उलट कर so we have brought from authorized dealer and you can see it has 1 year warranty. You can see 2 chipsets inside. It's exactly same. This is identification barcode. करून टाकू ते ठेवा आपल्याकडे so we'll need to do some alteration because this is an old car and these brackets are not available in market. So let's see, we'll resume the video later. So we came for testing. We have installed the projectors in both of the lights. The brackets are not yet installed because we came here just for testing purpose. Now I will show you. This is the low beam of white color. Headlights are off, only projectors are on. This is the high beam in white color. Okay, now I will change the color to yellow. So this is the yellow color. You can see the lining on the walls. It's perfectly aligned. Now I will show you the high beam. See the auto rickshaw at the end. I will switch on the high beam. Pass मार मी सांगेल तेव्हा मार बंद कर मार. You can see auto rickshaw at the end. So that is the power of high beam. बंद कर. Now I will show you the warm white color. This is the warm white. This is combination of white and yellow. All LEDs are on inside. Now in high beam you can see the upper portion is yellow. This is the best combination and the performance is better than my car because the height of this car is on the higher side. The fog lamps are at this height, whereas in Swift you can imagine they are here. Excellent performance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.